Hello and welcome back to my channel, Sparkly Diamonds. We have a paint gem unboxing and angel feet because I love them. You can add them as much as you want. Guys. And Angel is on TikTok as well, so you might have seen this in her live. But yes, we have Houseplants Volume 2. We have the drills there, but I might go through them. I'll just show you the colour palette. There's some gorgeous colours there. And then we'll have a look at these. So these are, in this volume, in number 2, you have 16 plants. So we'll have a look at what they are. So we have the first one, which is ivy. Then we have a succulent, and then we have the anthurium, which is pretty, and then we have the well, these aren't in order, that's why. Would make sense if it was, but it's not. So let me start again. We have this one, which is can't find it. Can't actually find that one. Goodness. We'll come back to that one. So we have this one, which is a coleus. I was expecting it to always be in order, and it's not. Then we have this one, which is the Nethropolis. I don't know how to say that. Then we have this one, which is the Anthurium. This is the Aspelenium. This, I can't read what that says. Yeah, good luck with that one. That's all you're gonna get. This one, which is the Syngonium. Why? Where's all the English names like Daisy? This one, which is a poinsettia. This one, which is the Ceres. And this one, which is the Alocasia. That's a pretty one. That's Caladium. That one, which is ivy. This one, which is, God help me try and see that one again. This one, which is the cactus. This one, which is the Dracania. This one, which is the succulent. And that one there, couldn't see before, is a ficus. So that there is your 16 houseplants, volume 2. There's some pretty ones there, so I want to make these up when we're on holiday, and then I can put them on all in frames, so it'll be pretty and I can have them around the house. Right, I hope you liked today's quick little unboxing of a paint gem, and I'll see you in the next video.